frequency that humans' ears can hear is between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz.
Infrasonic is anything less than 20 hertz. Elephants use this to communicate. Listen for them. Oh wait.
Ultrasonic is more than 20,000 hertz. It is not audible to the human ear. An example of this is the dog whistle. Dog whistle example. At first, Phoebe was playing as normal, but whenever Callie started playing the dog whistle, Phoebe started to pay attention. But as you can tell, only Phoebe could hear the dog whistle because it's over 20,000 hertz.
Hey, there's a concert in there. Let's go.
Whenever they were playing, they had a sforzando, which is whenever someone starts really loud and they get soft and build back up, which shows how many, at the beginning there was a lot of decibels, and then they faded back down to not very many, and they built back up to a lot. And throughout their song, they portrayed a sense of changing between more decibels and less decibels, which shows loudness.
Woo! Doppler effect!
In the Doppler effect, when the producer gets closer to the receiver, the frequency gets higher, and as the producer moves away from the receiver, the frequency of the sound gets lower. The speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second. Resonance! Force vibration of an object matches a natural frequency of an object.
Yes, I suck.
Girl, I got you.
Okay, let's go.
Guess I suck too.
Harmonics are the other frequencies besides the fundamental frequency.
Here we have Catherine and Jenna, and they're going to demonstrate harmonics.
Ew. 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 Close enough. Oh, did you want us to sing? Yeah? Oh. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about sex. I'm here asking different students about their knowledge on sound. Okay, so this is Randa. What can you tell us about a decibel?
That's a plant, right?
This is David Godek, and I'm going to ask him, what is sound? What are you doing?
Making sound.
Oh. I'm here with Drake Schroeder, and I'm going to ask him, what is the Doppler effect?
That's the game at Target, right, where they put the dominoes up and you have to like see how many you can knock down at once? No?
I'm here with Brandon Malarkey, and I'm going to ask him, what does the height of the amplitude have to do with the energy?
What did you just call me?
I'm here with Mr. Taylor, and I'm going to ask him, what is resonance?
It's when you live somewhere, a residence, yeah. That's whenever you go somewhere and you live, right? Now we're talking about.
Oh, okay. I'm live with Barry Talley, and I'm going to ask him, what are harmonics?
Harmonics are what they use in country western bands. It's harmonics.
So Madison, why are we wearing this shirt?
one because it's for Danielle Bradbury on the voice, and she sounds amazing.
Resonance!
Oh.
This is David. Ow, set.
The Doppler effect is due to... The Doppler effect is due to...
Whenever the giver offer gets closer to the receiver.
Get out of here!